You know, one of the easiest ways to save money online is by letting tools do the hard work for you. That's exactly where Capital One Shopping Rewards comes in. And in this video, I'll show you how to take full advantage of it. Capital One Shopping is a free browser extension and mobile app designed to help you save money while earning rewards. Instead of manually searching for coupon codes, which often don't even work, the extension runs automatically in the background. When you're shopping online, it checks for valid coupon codes at checkout, applies the best one, and lets you know instantly how much you saved. This not only saves time, but also ensures you're never missing a deal. The rewards part is what makes it even better. Many online stores partnered with Capital One Shopping allow you to earn reward credits just by completing purchases. For example, when you shop at a retailer offering rewards, you'll see a small notification showing how many credits you'll earn. These credits keep adding up and can later be redeemed for gift cards from popular stores like Amazon, Walmart, and hundreds of others, making it a double win. You save up front and earn something back for later. Getting started is simple. You don't need a Capital One account to use it. Just head over to the Capital One shopping site, install the extension on your browser, and sign up for a free account. Once installed, it integrates automatically with most major retailers. If you're on mobile, you can also download the app to get the same benefits while shopping from your phone. The tool also compares prices across different sellers. So, if you're looking at an item on one website, it may notify you that the same product is available for less somewhere else. This comparison feature ensures you're not only using coupons, but also paying the lowest possible price. Combine that with the rewards system, and you're stacking savings both instantly and over time. When it's time to redeem your credits, just log in, check your balance, and select from a wide list of gift cards. The process is straightforward, and you can use your rewards at places you probably already shop at. So, whether you're shopping for everyday essentials, electronics, or even gifts, Capital One Shopping Rewards makes the process smoother and smarter. And just like that, that's everything you need to know to start making the most of Capital One Shopping Rewards.